Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will talk about how to become a computer operator. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. How to become a computer operator. To become a computer operator, you will need to acquire certain skills and qualifications. Here are some steps you can follow. Number 1, education and training. Obtain a high school diploma or equivalent qualification. A solid foundation in mathematics and computer science will be helpful. Consider pursuing an associate degree or certification program in computer science, information technology, or a related field. This will provide you with a deeper understanding of computer systems and operations. Number 3, develop technical skills. Familiarize yourself with various computer operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Learn how to operate computer hardware components including printers, scanners, and other peripherals devices. Gain proficiency in using common software applications like Word, processors, spreadsheets, and email clients. Acquire knowledge of computer networks including local area networks or LAN and wide area networks or WANs. Number 3, gain experience. Look for entry-level positions or internships where you can gain hands-on experience working with computer systems and performing basic operations. Consider volunteering your skills to gain practical experience in non-profit organization or community center. Explore opportunities to work part-time in computer labs or IT departments in educational institutions. Number 4, develop problem-solving skills. Computer operators often encounter technical issues or errors. Develop problem-solving skills to troubleshoot common computer problems and perform basic maintenance tasks. Learn how to diagnose and resolve hardware and software issues efficiently. Familiarize yourself with common command line tools and utilities used for system administration. Number 6, stay up to date. Keep up with the latest advancements in computer technology and operating systems. Attend workshops, seminars, and training programs to expand your knowledge and stay current in the field. Engage in online communities, forums, and discussions groups related to computer operations to learn from others and share experiences. Number 6, obtain certifications. Consider obtaining industry standard certifications to enhance your credibility and marketability. Certifications like CompTIA Plus, A Plus, and Microsoft Certified Modern Desktop Administrator Associate can validate your skills as computer operator. Apply for jobs. Update your resume to highlight your relevant skills, experience, and certifications. Look for job openings as computer operator in organizations, IT departments, or data centers. Utilize online job portals, company websites, and professional networking platforms to find suitable opportunities. Prepare for interviews by researching the company and practicing common interview questions related to computer operations. Remember, becoming a computer operator is just the starting point in the IT field. As you gain experience and expertise, you can explore other roles in career paths, such as system administration, network administration, or cybersecurity. Continuous, Continuously learning and adapting new technologies will be essential for long-term success in this field. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation and report how to become a computer operator. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.